Welcome back to Instables, everyone. So I'm going to go over CLOV with you guys, as CLOV has been consolidating from our previous consolidation and major breakout point. I'm going to go over exactly what has to happen for CLOV to break out of this consolidation and continue on up, and exactly which price point and indicators I would be looking out for as a possible continuation and major breakout with CLOV, and also where you guys can find these breakout alerts so you guys do not miss them again. And all I ask in return is you guys smash that like button and hit subscribe if you guys want to see more chart updates on potential breakouts that we mentioned throughout the week. So let's jump into this one. So I'm going to go over CLOV with you guys here on the 5-minute chart. I want to go over exactly what happened recently, and then I'm going to go over the 4-hour chart so you guys can see what we're looking at overall, what exact points we're looking at for on that major breakout coming in with CLOV. Again, CLOV is definitely on the watch, in my opinion, to have a major breakout, but we're looking for that major breakout with that momentum and to get that confirmation on that momentum to make sure we do get a consistent breakout here. But I do want to mention before we do get started that we do alert penny stock and breakout alerts throughout the day. We mentioned CCV this last week halted at $7.20, jumping all the way up to $29 on the day, jumping over 300% on that breakout. We mentioned IPHA on Thursday in pre-market from $5, jumping all the way up to $8.50 into the next day on Friday. We mentioned CEI testing that Thursday rejection that we had and had that continuation past that 76 mark that we mentioned, all the way up to 95 cents on that major breakout. So if you guys do want to see all of our penny stock and breakout alerts throughout the day, go to instables.com in the description below, and you guys will never miss a penny stock breakout alert through the day again. So again, I definitely want to keep our eyes on CLOV. As you guys can see, recently we had that major spike. We came back down. We have the 20-moving average that is curling up, looking to see if we can cross back above the 50 here on the 5-minute. And again, that's only what's going on at this moment in time. But again, we're looking to see if we can get that momentum coming into this week. So I'm going to go over the 4-hour with you guys and also into this month. Again, we are consolidating at our previous consolidation and major breakout point. And one thing I do want to mention, which I'm going to compare to MMAT. If you guys haven't seen MMAT recently, I'm going to show you guys the comparison between CLOV and MMAT real quick, because MMAT is a little further in the chart of what CLOV could possibly be looking like if they do continue on up. So as you guys can see, CLOV recently did have that major spike with the 20-day moving average. Again, the yellow line being the 20-day moving average and the red being the 50-day moving average. We see the 20-day moving average did cross above the 50 and give us that nice continuation here on the 4-hour. Again, this is the larger time frame. So as you guys can see, we have been continuing on down since then, and we are consolidating again at our previous consolidation and major breakout point. And as you guys can see, we are looking to see if we can cross with the 20-day moving average above the 50 coming into this week. And again, I wanted to show you MMAT because again, we are looking to see if we can get this type of momentum here. You guys can see we got this volume coming in. We had that continuation because we broke above our previous volume points, and you guys can see the 20 moving average actually did cross above the 50. Now, there's no saying that MMAT is necessarily going to continue on up, but again, MMAT is definitely on the watch for this continuation. So I'm going to go back to CLOV with you guys here so you guys can see again, we are looking to see if we can get that momentum and that volume coming into this week. As you guys can see, we are going to be setting our alert right above this volume point here, so that way if it does break above it, then we could have that momentum with the 20 moving average crossing above the 50, just like we just saw on MMAT. So I'm going to jump back to MMAT one more time so you guys can see what I'm looking at here. So you guys can see on MMAT, again, we had that continuation because we had that spike above our previous volume point that we did have. And as you guys can see, we have this 20 moving average that was looking to see if we can cross above the 50. And we did get that volume and that confirmation on that momentum. So again, same thing here on CLOV. We're looking for that same momentum here, getting that volume spike right above this previous volume point. So again, you could set that alert by coming up to the volume here. You come over the $3 lines and you click add alert, and you put that alert right above your previous volume point. So that way, if it does break above it, then you will be alerted on that momentum and on that confirmation, in my opinion. And also, as you guys can see here on the 4-hour, on the MACD, in my opinion, to have this buy pressure that we're looking for. Again, we like the EMA lines and how they are crossing above the 50. As you guys can see previously, we had that continuation breakout because the EMA lines crossed above the 50. And as you guys can see here, we have the EMA lines that are crossing back above the MACD, looking to see if we can continue on up with this buy pressure and momentum here. So again, CLOV definitely on the watch going into this week. I do like this consolidation. And again, we are going to be looking to see if we can get that momentum coming into this week. And of course, we will be alerting this one in the Instables room if we do get this momentum here. But again, if you guys do want to see all of our penny stock breakout alerts throughout the day, go to instables.com in the description below. And you guys will never miss a penny stock or a breakout alert throughout the day again. And everybody that has been supporting the channel, everybody that has been in the comment section, I appreciate every one of you guys. As always, much love to you guys. And if you guys do like this video, it does help other people find it, and it does help the channel grow. And I do appreciate it very much. And again, God bless you all, and I'll see you guys in the next video.